Welcome to Phonics Reading YouTube channel. Let's learn to read with phonics. A, r, e, d. Red. L, I, p. St, I, k. Lipstick. A red lipstick. St is a consonant blend. C and K together make only one k sound. A, p, I, n, k. Pink. L, o, l, I, p, o, p. Lollipop. A pink lollipop. Double letters make only one sound. R, a, n, rain. A is a digraph. I, n, in. Sp, a, n, Spain. Rain in Spain. A, sw, eat. Sweet. E is a digraph. Sm, e, l, smell. A sweet smell. A, l, o, ng, long. Is a digraph. W, e, k, e, n, d. Weekend. A long weekend. E is also a digraph. Digraphs are two letters and one sound. A, st, r, o, ng. Strong. Is a digraph. F, o, t, fort. O is also a digraph. A strong fort. A, pl, a, n, plain. A is a digraph. Dr, e, s, dress. Double letters make only one sound. A plain dress. A, gr, e, n, green. E is a digraph. Fr, o, g, frog. Fr is a consonant blend. In consonant blend, we can hear the individual sounds clearly. A green frog. A, fl, o, t, I, ng. Floating. O and ng are digraphs. L, o, g. Log. A floating log. A, l, o, ng. long. Is a digraph. Eat. E. Meeting. E and two digraphs are there in meeting. A long meeting. A l o long. Br broom. Br is a consonant blend. We can hear b and both the sounds in br. U is a digraph. Is also a digraph. A long broom. A g o d good. B o k book. A good book. O is a digraph. Can you try reading on your own now? Thanks for watching. See you soon.